Welcome to Potomac Senior High School's Senior Breakfast. This is an annual event that we host before students return to school. This event provides parents with several workshops that will help them support their seniors, such as the application process, financial aid, and also what the military can offer our students as well.
It's really good for the school to engage with the rising seniors and give them the information up front, keep them motivated throughout the year, and make sure they're as prepared as possible.
It's very important to find out about college options and career options because you don't want to be far down your senior journey, not knowing what to do. And I think the counselors and the staff here are doing a great job helping everybody out to figure out what the next steps are.
I'm hoping to gain information for college, for your colleges, the application process of getting into those colleges.
Just where to go for my future and more information like what I can do and what I need to know.
Benefits of financial aid and what the FAFSA can do for you to help for scholarships.
I'm hoping to learn about the four-year college and the FAFSA.
I'm just hoping to get some extra information about college, some things I didn't know, ask questions that I'm curious about.
I think it's really great. It provides information for everybody that may not have the access to information. As long as you listen and keep asking those questions, you'll get those answers. And it makes the process so much easier.